Hey everyone, welcome to Cookin' and Compostin' with Pila. I'm Haeli, registered dietitian here in Okanagan with Okanagan Nutrition. In today's episode, we're going to be making a new age jam, a chia seed jam, and it's not your grandma's recipe, or at least not my grandma's recipe. So really all it consists of is your fruit, about 2 cups of it. We're going to add a few tablespoons of chia seeds and some maple syrup. If you're not vegan, you could also use honey. I'm choosing to use maple syrup. So let's get started. So you're just going to cut all the strawberries, just cut the tops off, the greens. So we will compost all the tops to the strawberries here, which is awesome. When you're composting, it's really good to every few days in your out-yard compost where everything is kind of settling down and composting, to water it as well as to kind of aerate it. So do that every few days just to keep the compost process going nice and smooth. So toss all of these guys in the compost bin. And then we will move all the strawberries into there. Let's also throw some raspberries in there. Hopefully it turns out well. So then we're just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of the chia seed. The recipe calls for about 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. I think I'm gonna use more, I like it a little bit sweeter. So we will add that in. We're gonna use a blender, but you really don't have to use a blender. You could just simply put it all into a bowl and mash it until you get your desired consistency. I like mine really smooth. Here's literally round 10 of trying to work this blender. Do you know how to work the blender? This is the pour?
Yeah.
Sweating. Okay, we're gonna blend this all up. That's good enough. Don't want to destroy the chia seeds too much. Oh, it smells so good. I don't think that you need to really heat this up before it's ready, but we're going to because I'm not a rule breaker and I need to follow the recipe. Okay, so we're just gonna transfer this jam into the pan and just kind of heat it up until it starts to bubble and gets a little bit thick. All right, I swear I saw a wooden spoon somewhere.
You want me to help you?
Help me find a wooden spoon. Oh, I'm gonna choose this one, thanks though. So this is getting a little hot, we'll just dump it all in. I'll try not to do that. Oh my gosh, yummy. So we'll just heat it up. I don't know if heating up just kind of clarifies it so it's less not see-through. So once this is good, I think it only is gonna take a few minutes to kind of boil down and get a little bit thick on me. You want some jam, ma'am?
Hey, what are you making?
This is a strawberry chia seed jam.
Oh,
have you ever had it?
I thought it was a tomato sauce.
No. Smell it.
Oh, that does smell really good.
It's really good. So I'm just gonna turn it off because it looks thick. It's actually got a little bit darker too. Mm-hmm. So you can lick the blender if you want.
Oh, is that an option?
That is an option.
Okay.
Of course, they give me the heaviest pan to lift with one arm. We're nervous about this. So far, so good.
That's really good.
Isn't
Why did you
it?
cook it though?
That's what the recipe says, Kate. And we go with the recipe. And there it is, folks. Strawberry chia seed jam. So you can cover it, let it cool before you cover it, put it in the fridge. It will last about a week. You can also freeze it for like 3 months. Yeah, and it should become way less Frenny. Yeah.
It's almost like a dessert.
Ooh, over like,
But there's like no seeds. Like it's like,
well, we blended it up.
oh, it's very smooth. That's a tasty note.
It would be interesting to see what it tastes like when it's like firmed up.
Yeah, because
like the
it's
texture.
also like really like foamy almost. Like it tastes like a whipped cream dessert almost.
So I think when it settles, it gets like more dense and less foamy.
And like it's actually spreadable jam then? She's made this
Technically,
before, obviously.
technically it should be. And there's really not that much added sugar. Like when you look at traditional like jam recipes, it's like a cup of sugar at least with some pectin.
Okay.
Yeah, it would
Bye.
be. Thank you. And that's it for this episode. Join us next week for more cooking and composting.